Reserve Street, I think, below. Okay. Below is Super Walmart right here. A lot of Greensfield here. A lot of grass. Touchdowns on the east side. So green. Brazil is so pretty.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zula. Local time is approximately 11:21. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Your carrying items stowed to the aircraft is parked at the gate, and the captain has turned off that fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Avoid injury to yourself or others as contents may have shifted during the flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices in the transmitting mode. Before leaving the aircraft today, take a quick look around your seat and make sure you have everything that you brought on board. Your satisfaction is always important to us. In the next several days' time, you may receive an email survey from Delta asking you to rate your travel experience. If you do, please just take a few moments of your time to let us know how we're doing. We do thank you in advance and look forward to hearing from you. Visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. While we depend on using a JetBridge today, please use the handrails, watch your steps to the plane. If you do need any assistance, please don't hesitate to ask.